Yeah, I'm gonna dress up this perch a little bit. Still good, so I'm gonna use it. And these wires, this setup right here. It's gonna be all cleaned up. Right here, the right side. So I'm gonna be doing more work tomorrow. I have a lot of things to do today. Alright, part 5 already. Did a little bit of taping. Hit most of the big rust. Just did some touching up. Sprayed the motor. I'm gonna go ahead and change the swing arm next. But the front of the motor is pretty clean. I'm gonna catch the back of the motor once we get that swing arm off. Catch the rear end section. And working on this right here. Putting some new gadgetry. Okay, buddies. Aloha. Okay, guys, this is part 5 of my XT350. I got that tire. I got that tire on there now. I got the right size tire. I don't know if I'm gonna. I swapped out the swing arm. See, this is off of an 84. Swapped out the shock as well. Not a shock, it's unreal. And then I ordered new seals for my forks, and I'm gonna swap out these ugly boots. They're just too ugly. The headlight, I'm gonna go scrambler style. Came in. I'm not gonna use the KTM one. I got a scrambler one underneath there. It's ready to go. You'll see it when I install it. Some detailing on the engine and the frame. Got that all done. Got a Rockstar boot for my shock there. I'm gonna put the exhaust on next, and yeah, this thing is gonna be cranking, bro. So stay tuned. And I rerouted the throttle cables properly. Went ahead and bought a brand new clutch cable. I'm gonna have the old one is just too worn out already since 1988. It's time for a replacement. Detailed the rear wheel, but then I'm gonna have to redo the rear wheel a little bit more better. But this is where we are right now. I got my new controls right here, my high and my low, my horn, turn signals. Got my signals came in. Routed everything properly. I got everything proper, as they would say in England. Yeah, I got this all my brake lines are all properly all set up. You see how it's gonna activate that brake light. Well, this is gonna plug it to the stock harness right here. And we're gonna be in Lake Flint now. Yeah. Okay, thank you for viewing. Yeah, this thing is gonna be killer. And it's gonna look It's gonna look like this. Set on the tank right there. My DBX, we still gotta run that. Okay. Aloha, my kite.